stages to go through to mastery. Joseph Albers said, "Apprentice is the beginner. The first years you work in a craft, in the European sense, you are an apprentice. That takes 3 or 4 years. Then you are a journeyman. You can go from one master to another and learn other tricks and other secrets." There are the 4 stages to mastery: novice, apprentice, journeyman, and master. The idea has been around since stonemasons were constructing medieval churches and Michelangelo was painting the Sistine Chapel. Do you really have to spend 2 to 4 years before you can even advance to the apprentice stage? The big secret behind becoming a master of something lies in the actual definition of what a master is. A true expert of a craft or subject will be able to create new things based on a foundation in their chosen area of expertise. This is why your teachers made you write definitions in school in your own words. If you were merely copying someone else, sure, you might know the information. But if you're able to phrase the actual themes and concepts with your own unique spin, you've mastered how to make the information new, tailored to your own. Let's pretend that you've been taking painting classes. After a few weeks of practicing portraying the intricacies of painting shadows on circular objects like bowls and apples, you decide it's time to branch out. You thoroughly understand the concept of the way light and shadow intermingle, so you begin painting shadows on objects of all shapes and sizes. No one showed you how, but you're actually pretty good at it. Congratulations! You've mastered the art of painting shadows because you were able to apply the concepts to your own creations. In other words, 10,000 hours to master something should be taken with a grain of salt. Yes, there are certain societal reasons why you can't master certain skills or careers in an abbreviated time frame. You have to acquire a license, a degree, etc. But in general, there are shortcuts available for mastering skills. At the end of the day, you could practice something every day for 10 years and not master it. So how do you push past that boundary into becoming an expert?